Earn free Robux for Roblox by downloading apps, completing surveys, or watching videos. Today's video is all about the Collect Robux.com in the United States. But before moving further, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Do hit the bell icon for many more informative videos. So when you share your referral link and users join Collect Robux.com with your link, you will earn a percentage of all their earnings. It is a great way to get free points while introducing others to a great service. Points are given when the offer provider complete the offer and unable to force the completion of offers. Some offers can take up to 24 hours to credit you the points, but if you do not receive any points after 24 hours, contact the company that is providing the offer for help. You get rewards when you complete simple offers such as downloading apps, completing surveys, or doing quizzes. They recommend joining on your phone or tablet to download apps to earn Robux. Downloading apps usually rewards you with more points and takes less time than completing surveys and quizzes. As everyone knows, Roblox is a multiplayer immersive game with endless possibilities. It's one of the most popular games that attracts players from different age categories. And if you genuinely follow the instructions, they can guarantee you good results and a lot of bonuses. It's a system used in the gaming industry for years. They can stumble upon platforms that provide similar services for the other games. It is based on a convertible point system earned by completing some task assigned by the platform. You can exchange the points you get for items related to a certain game or its currency. Most of the tasks that will give you points are easy to complete, so pick the one that suits you the most and complete to earn your reward. Once you have gathered the minimal required amount, you can transfer the Robux to your in-game account or receive a gift card. Most of the time, you'll receive extra bonuses like in-game items or accessories. Rewards do vary from a sponsor to another, so it's only by checking on daily that you can stumble open the best rewards. Collector Robux is not affiliated with any of the games or companies shown on this website. Use of any logos or trademarks are for reference purposes only, so by utilizing the website, you agree to be bound by the terms of service. So whether you are into breaking news, sports, celebrities, current topics, reviews, just get started with like, share and subscribe our channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon and stay tuned with us. Until then, be informed, be safe, have a good day.